Listen, so a lot of people be asking me, and this is coming from a fucking fan. It gets under my skin when a fan, and this happens a lot, bro. I'm pretty sure every YouTuber or anybody that's successful or do something that have a fan base can vouch for this. They will sit up there and tell you to your face that they have been rocking with you since day one. They seen all your day one shit, right? And they want to low key do what you do. And then they sit up there and ask you how you do it. Like, my nigga, you just told me you've been watching me since day one. That means you seen me become what I am. That means you have seen me grind and go through everything from blood, sweat, and tears. That means you know the answer to that shit already, right? So motherfucking YouTubers be hitting me up. This day and age, it's hard to become a YouTuber. They don't even let y'all niggas get paid right away. Back in the day, they did. Now they don't. But you don't even want to start doing YouTube with the mindset that you gonna get money and you trying to get views. My nigga, you gonna fall off after a month. You probably won't even make it to a month. Bro, you know, all the time and effort that you put into that vid and you post it and it don't really get views? Nigga, you got to do that shit like at least 30, 40, 50 times. You got to flop 30, 40, 50 times. And all it takes is for that one time for that video to get out there and blow up. And you good for the rest of your life. It happens to everybody. All it takes is one video. But you have to grind. You have to post at least 3 or 4 times a week. Y'all see me chilling and sitting back and sometimes not posting now. My nigga, do I have to sit up here and tell y'all what the fuck I've been through? Nigga, this shit, I know y'all see me now, but nigga, did y'all forget I was the same nigga coming in every video with white tees on and shit? With the same fucking hats on and shit? Nigga, I ain't always had money. I dropped out of school. I sacrificed it all. And y'all niggas talking about y'all quitting YouTube because y'all ain't getting views and it's hard and it's frustrating. Nigga, you should look at it like this. You ain't getting paid till a year later. You're not going to make money until a year and a half later with this YouTube shit. Have that mindset that you ain't getting no money no time soon. And whatever you posting, have fun with that shit, right? I guarantee you if you having fun, like when I be having fun with 2K, dropping niggas off, posting heli gameplays, people feed off your energy. If you having fun with what you posting, you're gonna grow. Now, if you riding waves and copying off people because they do it and it worked for them, so you want to try to do it, you're not gonna grow. You have to find what you good at and stick with it and be yourself. People gonna fuck with you for you, just like y'all fuck with me for me, right? Am I sitting up here faking and trying to sugarcoat some shit, or am I sitting up here speaking facts, my nigga? So don't come at me with this, man. I'm frustrated with YouTube. How do I gain subscribers? Nigga, you have to grind, bro. The grind never stops. You got to flop at least 20 to 30 times, 20 to 30 videos that gets no views. All it takes is for that one bid and your channel good. Simple. Keep grinding, bro.